welcome back to the channel, everyone. Glad that you're back watching this video. I ordered some parts for the Camaro back there. As you can see right there in the box, we got a little bit of exhaust work that we're going to do on the car, and hopefully it's going to increase the torque and the horsepower just a little bit. Comment below what you think that is in that box down below. But let's go ahead and open that box up and see what we have on the inside, and I'm going to show you what we're going to be doing. Ooh, maybe you can tell what it is already. I ordered this from Summit Racing. But what we have here is that's right, a X-pipe for the Camaro. Now, let's look down here. So you can see it's a true X-pipe. So we're going to install this on the Camaro. Hopefully it will increase the tone of the exhaust and the horsepower and torque. Now, I don't have any real numbers on the car now to verify it, but I am taking this car to the dyno in a few days. I will have a video on that one. So let's go ahead, get this uncovered, jack it up, and look underneath there and see where we'll have to cut for the new pipe. Now, this kit does come included with four clamps to install it. So let's try, and hopefully these clamps down here will work, and hopefully everything goes pretty good. All right, as you can tell, I got the car all jacked up, and we're gonna go underneath there, and according to the directions, we're gonna cut the pipe behind the OE original resonators on this car. But somebody's already cut those off this car before. So what we're going to do is cut it where they welded onto, put the pipe on, measure it to the back, and put the pipe on. And I'll show you what it looks like under there. Alright, so as you can see, they must have had them cut right there before and gone back here. I don't know what these are. I don't know if it's some kind of glass pack or something. As you can tell, they've been cut out right there, so they've been gutted on both sides. But that's the piece we're going to replace right in there, and we're going to see what we can do. So we're going to have to cut right in front of this one, right there. Then the rest of the pipe probably be cut off somewhere, about right in here. I'm sorry, right in here for the X-pipe to go in there. So the first thing we'll have to do is remove this brace right here, get that out of the way, and we'll get our Sawzall and get it all cut up and welded on. Or not welded, but we're going to use the clamps that came with the kit and put it on there and see what it does. So let me get a Take the exhaust off. Or I cut it, as you can tell, I use a sawzall and it didn't cut it very straight. And on the back, it ain't cut it very straight. So we got a hacksaw now. We're going to cut it with that and see what we can do. I had a battery operated, but that damn thing keeps dying on me. So we're going to go ahead and try to cut this off and get this on the pipe on now. Let me show you underneath the car. You can see the pipe is all on there, good. We just had to cut our back pipes and twist and bend on them to line up the back exhaust parts here. So I'm going to give you a start up on it now, and comment down below if you can tell me if you can hear a difference in the exhaust tone. So comment below if you can tell the difference in between the exhaust before we did it and now. But that's going to do it for today's video on the Camaro. If you like what you saw, like, subscribe, comment below. We'll catch you on the next video.